Alright, welcome to this lesson. I'm Mr. Simons. We'll be factorizing sum or sometimes difference of cubes, right? So we'll be looking at perfect cubes. So first, factorize x cubed minus y cubed. So x cubed is a perfect cube, y cubed perfect cube, and it has a minus, so this would be difference of cubes. So square root or cube root of x cubed is x. Cube root of y cubed is y, right? X times x gives me x squared. Negative times negative gives me the positive. Y times y gives me y squared. If I multiply these two, x times negative y gives me negative xy. So to cancel negative xy, there I write plus xy. I wrote the process out for you so you can understand. So there I said cube root x cubed and I got the x. Said cube root of y cubed and I got the y. Right, it's minus sign there, so the minus sign stays minus or negative. Then I need to understand x squared times x gives me x cubed, so x squared times x gives me x cubed. Y squared times negative y would give me the negative y cubed. No? And for the middle, to cancel, because I only have two terms there, x times negative y, which gives me negative xy. So therefore I have to write plus xy so that when I add them, they give me 0. Right, so that's factorizing difference of cubes. Let's look at the next problem. So there we've given you 64x cubed plus 216y cubed, and you have to factorize. Very important, as I said in the previous lessons, you need to know the first 7 perfect cubes, up to 343. So again, cube root of 64, 4. Cube root of x cubed, x. The positive sign stays positive. Cube root of 216, 6. Cube root of y cubed, y. Right? Now 4x times what will give me 64. In short, it will always be 4 times 4 gives me 16. X times x gives me x squared. There, positive times positive gives me positive. 6 times 6, 36. And y times y, y squared. Then to cancel out the middle term, you see 4 times positive 6 gives me plus 24 xy. So there I must write minus 24 xy. So there you see, if you follow the process, cube root of that, 4x. Cube root of 216y cubed, 6y. 16x squared times 4x would give me that, 64. 36y squared times 6y gives me 216y cubed, and for the middle term there, 4x times 6y gave me 24xy. Therefore, to write negative 24xy to cancel the end term. So I hope you follow and understand. It's relatively simple, either sum or difference. Definite exam question, must be tested. It's new, you're learning about it this year. So most of what you are learning that's new to you this year will be tested. This is one of those questions normally appear last under factorizing. Alright. Now we have, I gave you binomial and a binomial. 2x plus y cubed minus 2x minus y cubed. Okay, this is just to really test your level. So cube root of that would simply be 2xy, 2x plus y. Cube root of 2x minus y cubed would simply become negative 2x minus y. Right? To get cube there, it's 2x plus y times the square of that same bracket to get cube. 2x minus y times the square of that bracket to get 2x minus y cubed. If I multiply these two brackets, that times negative that, right? There it will simply become what? 2 minus 2x, or they have done it for you here. 2x times negative that would give me 2x times negative 2x, which is negative 4x squared, and positive y times negative y times the negative gives me positive y squared. So therefore the middle term, that must become positive and that one must become negative to cancel it out. And there I have factorized that somewhat difference of cubes. Your teachers won't give you something this difficult, but that's just to improve your level of thinking. So you can pause, look through it. There each process is listed. Hope you enjoy the lesson. Continue practicing, continue working out. Do it early in grade 10, maths will just become easier. You'll have the best possible results in grade 12. Enjoy.